Step into the serene world of Thai monks. At the crack of dawn, they gather by the pool, an oasis of peace that reflects the first rays of the sun. The air is filled with the scent of incense, an aromatic symphony of sandalwood and frankincense. Now imagine 1,000 candles flickering, casting dancing shadows on the surface of the water, each flame a beacon of hope, a symbol of enlightenment. Listen as the chant of meditation fills the air, a harmonious symphony that resonates with the rhythm of the universe. At the heart of this sacred gathering stands the Buddha, a silent observer, a symbol of peace and wisdom. Let our Thailand, Asia, News and Travels channel take you on an inner journey to peace and clarity, guided by the age-old wisdom of the Thai monks. Welcome to this guided Thai meditation where you can embrace silence and rest your mind in the calm waters of inner peace. Let go of all the thoughts and worries of the day and allow yourself to surrender to the moment where you can become one with your breathing and feel the energy flowing around you. Prepare for a profound experience of meditation and inner peace, where your mind and soul can heal and renew. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Thai meditation. As you settle into your space, allow the calm to embrace you. Feel the gentle kiss of tranquility as it sweeps away the dust of your day, leaving behind a clean slate, a canvas upon which we are about to paint a picture of serenity with our guided meditation session. Finding the right space is a key part of this process. It needs to be a place where you feel secure and at ease, a sanctuary where your mind can retreat from the world's noise. It could be a cozy corner in your home, a serene spot in your garden, or even a quiet park bench that offers you a soothing view. Wherever it is, let it be a space that invites peace and encourages relaxation. As you nestle into your chosen spot, let's begin by centering ourselves with some deep breathing. This isn't just an exercise for the lungs, but a journey inward, an invitation for your mind to slow down and your body to unwind. Take a moment to connect with your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, filling your lungs, expanding your chest and your belly. Hold it there for a moment, acknowledging the life it brings, then slowly, gently release it, letting it carry away any tension or stress. Notice the rhythm of your breath. It's like the ebb and flow of the ocean, a gentle reminder of the natural rhythms that govern not just our bodies, but the world around us. Allow yourself to sync with this rhythm, to become a part of this grand symphony of life. This simple act of breathing, something we often take for granted, is a powerful tool in our quest for tranquility. It grounds us in the present moment, anchors us in the here and now. It's a reminder that in this moment we are alive, and that is something truly profound. As your breath finds its rhythm, feel yourself sinking into a state of profound tranquility. Let this be your sanctuary, your haven from the world. And as we embark on this journey of guided meditation together, let's welcome tranquility with open arms and open hearts. In your mind's eye, envision a serene meadow under a clear blue sky. Imagine the vast expanse of green, a carpet of fresh, dew-kissed grass stretching far and wide. Picture the slight undulation of this verdant blanket as a gentle breeze whispers through it, each blade of grass dancing in harmonic rhythm. This is a symphony of nature, a gentle rustling that sings a lullaby of peace and tranquility. In the distance you might hear the babbling of a stream. Its voice is soft yet persistent, a constant reminder of life's ebb and flow. Every ripple, every splash, every gentle gurgle is a testament to nature's resilience and perpetual motion. It murmurs a soothing melody that lures you deeper into this peaceful sanctuary. Now, let your mind wander to the trees that border this idyllic meadow. Their leaves rustle as the breeze flutters through them, a soft, hushed sound that echoes the whispers of the wind. Each leaf, each branch, each tree contributes to the beautiful orchestra of the meadow, a symphony that resonates with your very soul. Feel the warm embrace of the sun, its gentle rays caressing your skin, filling you with a sense of warmth and comfort. The sky above is a canvas of brilliant blue dotted with fluffy white clouds that float lazily, painting pictures in the sky. It's a perfect day in this peaceful meadow, a day where time seems to slow, where worries fade into the background, replaced by the soothing rhythm of nature. Let your senses soak in this serene setting. Smell the freshness of the grass, the earthy scent of the trees, the sweet perfume of wildflowers scattered across the meadow. Taste the cool, crisp air that carries the flavor of nature itself. Feel the soft grass beneath you, the gentle breeze against your skin, the warm sun on your face. Hear the rustling of leaves, the babbling of the stream, the gentle hum of the meadow. In this meadow you are at peace, embraced by nature's soothing rhythm. Feel the connection with the earth beneath you, grounding your being. Let's dwell in this moment, allowing your senses to explore the world around you. Close your eyes and imagine the sensation of the earth beneath you. It's solid, it's real, it's the foundation of all life. Feel its energy pulsing up from the ground, a gentle hum that resonates through your body, grounding you, connecting you to the very essence of existence. Now allow your mind to wander upward towards the warmth of the sun. Picture it in your mind's eye, a radiant sphere of energy, bathing everything beneath it in a soft golden light. Feel its warmth on your skin, a gentle caress that brings comfort and a sense of peace. It's a reminder that even in our darkest moments, the sun is always there, waiting to rise again. Next, shift your focus to the air around you. It's fresh, clean, invigorating. Each breath you take brings in life-giving oxygen, filling your lungs, nourishing your body, and refreshing your mind. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or negative energy, allowing the air to cleanse and renew you. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the life around you. The birds chirping in the distance, the rustling of leaves as a gentle breeze passes through, the distant hum of insects. They're all part of this interconnected web of life, each playing their part in maintaining the balance of nature. As you sit here, immersed in this moment, realize the profound truth. You're not separate from nature, you are part of it. You're a piece of this intricate puzzle connected to everything around you. Your existence is interwoven with the earth beneath you, the sun above you, and the life that surrounds you. In this moment of deep connection, remember this feeling of oneness with nature. Carry it with you, let it guide you, and remind you of your place in the world. You're part of this beautiful scene, connected with the earth and the sky. As you soak in the tranquility, reflect on your journey within. These moments of calm and peace offer us a unique space to understand ourselves better. Take this time to reflect, to look back on the journey you just embarked on. How do you feel? What emotions are swirling within you? What thoughts have surfaced? Perhaps you feel a sense of calm washing over you, like a gentle wave lapping at the shore, or maybe it's a newfound clarity, as if a foggy window has been wiped clean. You might even be experiencing a rush of emotions, strong and raw, like a river breaking through a dam. Remember, there is no right or wrong. There is no preset path or expectation to meet. This is your journey, unique and personal to you. It's a beautiful, ever-changing tapestry woven with threads of your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Let's take a moment to appreciate this process. Meditation is not just about finding peace or achieving a state of calm. It's about delving deeper into our minds, getting to know ourselves better. It's about understanding our emotions, acknowledging our thoughts, and accepting our unique selves. It's okay if your journey within was not smooth. It's okay if you found your thoughts wandering. It's okay if you felt emotions you didn't expect. Every experience, every thought, every emotion is a part of you. They are the colors that paint your inner landscape. Think about these experiences, ponder over these emotions, let them speak to you. Listen to what they have to say. They are your guides, your teachers. They show you where you are and hint at where you might go next. Take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, nourishing your body. Feel the beat of your heart, steady and strong. Feel the energy within you, vibrant and alive. Hold these feelings close to your heart. Cherish them. They are a reflection of your inner self, a mirror to your soul. They are markers on the path of your journey, signposts pointing the way. Hold these feelings close, for they are a reflection of your inner self. Slowly, let the image of the meadow recede, bringing your conscious mind back to your physical surroundings. Like a gentle tide receding from the shoreline, let the beautiful scene we've explored together start to fade into the background of your consciousness. Now, begin to tune into the sensations of your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your weight. Notice the temperature of the room, the soft touch of the air on your skin. Perhaps you can even sense the fabric of your clothes, the subtle pressure of each garment against your body. As you become more aware of your surroundings, remind yourself that you can carry the peace and tranquility of the meadow with you. It's a sanctuary within your mind, a place you can return to whenever you need solace or respite. The calmness, the serenity, the connection with nature, all of these are gifts you've given to yourself through this meditation. Gradually, when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust to the light, the colors, the shapes around you. Don't rush this process. Be gentle with yourself, just as you would be when waking from a restful sleep. As you reconnect with reality, take a few deep breaths. Feel your chest rise and fall with each inhalation and exhalation. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the life energy that flows within you. Let it anchor you in the present moment. Remember that every breath you take can be a moment of mindfulness, a chance to reconnect with the peace you've discovered in the meadow. You can bring this tranquility into your daily life, infusing each moment with a sense of calm and presence. Carry this tranquility with you as a gift from your meditation journey. Until we meet again, remain in harmony with yourself and the world around you. Thank you for taking me on this inner journey of meditation. If this video inspired you and brought you peace, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos. Together, we can create a world of peace and serenity. Thank you and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.